Let's get your files out of Claude and onto your computer right now. We are fixing the issue of having your code, text, or data stuck inside a chat conversation when you actually need it local on your hard drive. Open your web browser or the Claude desktop app and navigate to the Artifacts section in the left sidebar. Click on the Artifacts and find the one you want to download. Click directly on that artifact card to open it in full view on the right side of your screen. Now, move your mouse up to the top right corner of that specific artifact header panel. Look for the small icon that looks like a downward pointing arrow or a small tray. Hovering over it will show a download tooltip. Click that download icon once. If Claude prompts you to select a specific file format, you need to make a choice based on your workflow. For software scripts, choose the single file or zipped project option. For documents, select markdown or plain text. In my case, I usually download code as a raw file, so it opens instantly in my editor. If you do not see a prompt, Claude defaults to the native format of the project and starts the process automatically. The important thing is understanding the trade-off with local files. Once you download this artifact, it becomes a static file on your machine. Any updates you make to it offline will not sync back to the cloud conversation automatically, and any further prompts you give Claude will not update the file sitting in your local folder. You lose the real-time AI editing capability unless you paste the modified data back into the chat. Check your browser or app status bar to confirm the transfer started. In most setups, the file routes straight to your System Downloads folder. Open your File Explorer, navigate to that folder, and look for the newest file. If it arrived as a zip folder, right-click it and choose Extract All, so your local applications can read the code or text properly. If the file did not appear, check your browser settings panel to ensure a pop-up blocker is not stopping the download window from launching.